Hello students, today I am here to tell about Panthi dance, which is the important part of an Indian folk art, and what was the contribution of Devdas Banjari towards this Panthi dance. Let's read the chapter number 9, and the name of this chapter is Beats in Memoir. Beats means sound of musical instrument and memoir means a biography written from a personal knowledge. It means sound of musical instrument in a biography. What do you know about Panthi dance? Share it with your classmates. It means whatever you know about Panthi dance, share it with your friends. Okay? Chhattisgarh Panthi dance form is famous all over the world. It is famous all over the world. This Panthi dance has brought much acclaim to Indian folk art. Acclaim means popularity. It gives lots of popularity to an Indian folk art. The credit for popularizing Panthi dance goes entirely to Devdas Banjare. This whole credit goes to Devdas Banjare. Banjare has showcased the cultural heritage of his community. He shows the cultural heritage of his community. State and country won several awards to his performance on platforms of the whole world through his commitment. What was Devdas Banjare contribution towards Panthi dance? Devdas Banjare was born on 1st January 1937 in Sakra village in Dhamtari district. His father's name was Budram, but Phul Singh Banjare, whose surname he adopted, raised him. The boy was exposed to Panthi by twist of fate. As a youth, Banjare was gifted Kabaddi player. As a result, an injury sustained during a match, he had stopped playing the game. Banjare then shifted his attention to Panthi dance. He had to practice hard and strengthen his body because the dance required strength and vigor. It means Devdas Banjare was born on 1st January 1937 in Sakra village in Dhamtari district. His father's name, what was his father's name? His father's name was Budram. But Phul Singh Banjare, he adopted this surname and this surname raised him lot. The boy exposed to Panthi by twist of fate. It means earlier he didn't think to become a Panthi dancer, but his destiny helped him to become a great Panthi dancer. In youth, he was gifted as a Kabaddi player. During match, an injury happened with him, and as a result, he had stopped playing the game. Then Banjare shifted his attention towards Panthi dance. He had practiced hard because this dance required strength and vigor. Vigor means energy. This dance needs lots of energy. The Bhilai Steel Plant, where Banjare worked as a dance teacher in education department, encouraged him to pursue his interest. Banjare brought much fame and honor to the BSP over a span of 2 decades. In Bhilai Steel Plant, Banjare worked as a dance teacher in the education department, and this education department encouraged him to pursue his interest in this field. Banjare brought much respect, fame to the BSP over a span of 2 decades. A decade means period of 10 years, 2 decade means period of 20 years. The Panthi dance form belongs to Satnami community in Chhattisgarh. The Satnamis considers Guru Ghasidas as their guru. Panthi dance is the medium through which they honor their guru. Banjare had said in an interview, "It is the prime responsibility of an individual to maintain their body and health so as to properly use God gifts to do good and discharge their responsibilities in a correct manner." The Panthi dance belongs to Satnami community. Satnami Guru is Guru Ghasidas Ji. Panthi dance is the medium through which they show their respect towards their Guru. Banjare had said in an interview that our body is God gifted. So, it's our prime responsibility to maintain our body properly and discharge our responsibility in a right direction. In Panthi, the dancer perform various mudras such as Jastam, Dharti Pranam. Dharti Pranam means invocation to the land, and Phul Arpan, it means offering flowers. The rich culture and legacy of Satnami community is displayed through traditional costumes and, more importantly, the dancers' energy. The ghungroos, the dhoti and kurta, and the kanti. Kanti means garland made of tulsi comprise the costume of the dancer. Indigenous instruments such as the mandhar, mandhar means dhol, accompany the artist in their performance. In Panthi, dancers uses different mudras like Jastam, Dharti Pranam or Phool Arpan. Dharti Pranam means invocation to land and Phool Arpan means offering flowers to Guru. When they dance in traditional costume with full of energy, this shows the legacy in Satnami community. Legacy means the things which we get from our ancestors. During dance, they wear dhoti kurta, kanti. Kanti means garland made of tulsi and ghungroos. Indigenous means where the people live or growing this indigenous instrument such as mandhar. The artist had worked with Habib Tanvir's new theatre and had toured several countries for performance. His role in Charan Das Chor, a film made by Sham Benegal, had received critical acclaim. Banjare had performed in many of the Bharat Utsav festivals as a folk art representative of India. He had toured over 60 countries in his career spanning 30 years. He had received the Chief Minister's Gold Medal in 1972, the President's Gold Medal in 1975, and countless other felicitations. Devdas Banjare worked in Habib Tanvir New Theatre. He also worked in Sham Benegal film Charan Das Chor, and this film got acclaim also. He traveled in different countries for his dance performance. He gave his performance in several countries several times. In Bharat Utsav also. He showed his performance in more than 60 countries within a period of 30 years of time. He had received the Chief Minister's Gold Medal in 1972 and the President's Gold Medal in 1975. Tragically, Devdas Banjare died in a car accident in 2005. His legacy, however, continues as several disciples trained by him continue to stage Panthi performance all over the country and abroad. Banjare's commitment to Panthi was unparalleled and he dedicated his life to popularize the rich tradition and customs of his community and state. Tragically, Devdas Banjare died in 2005 in a car accident. The commitment of Banjare about Panthi dance it was unparalleled and he dedicated his whole life to popularizing the rich tradition and customs of this community. Thank you students. I hope you enjoyed this chapter.